Hello, guys. Welcome back to Panda Trades. It's good to have you here. Another day in the stock market. We had some fun day today. After the yesterday analysis, we did break the 375 up to 380 on the SPY, and as you can see, I just added another indicator. That's what we use on the daily. That is the Bollinger Bands. When we see if we're to extend it either to the upside or to the downside. Um, so as you can see here, we really have a resistance area here, supply area about the 380. So if you look at this candle here, we can see that the high of the candle is 380. We closed the candle at 378.87, and basically staying in these two ranges here for this candle. But I do like this price action. We are at 380. Okay. Now, let's see. This is the SPY. I look at the SPY and also the trades that I take. We take off the ES. The SPY is just the ETF of the S&P 500, and the ES is the future contract of it. Okay. So this is the daily. Let's go to a lower time frame. Ignore all my drawings here. We did open here. Okay. Let's go to 15 minutes so you guys can see. Let me take out this. Sorry. All right. We'll get this out of the way. Okay. So before I do that, you can see here it was a supply area, a strong resistance here, as you can see at the 370, which is a 370 70s, around the 70s area here. And then we broke all the way down. We climbed all the way up, which was crazy. That's the 15 minutes, of course. Back down, back up, rejected, and then today, as we expected, we retested that area. So we switched from supply zone to a demand zone. And again, every time that you break an area, supplies becomes resistance, and resistance becomes supply. Resistance becomes support, support becomes resistance. So as you can see here, we broke it to the upside, we touched the resistance, and back down to the support, and up to the resistance, and then we basically switch it, support and resistance, as you can see. Again, you break the support, then up to retest it, 9 EMA curling down. We have resistance now, not support, because we broke the support and we're more downside. Okay. So we opened today. The first 30 minutes we opened strong, up to the 15. Up to the 380 area. We busted all the way up and then rejected immediately to the support. Now a lot of traders will take it as a short when they see that happening, but we have a strong daily resistance on the 3750 area, a strong support, which my institutional traders buy big sizing here. which helped the market to go up because for them it's a cheap price to pay. So a lot of short traders were caught on here, waiting for the market to keep falling down, which didn't happen. We had this trend line we drew, and it did hold the trend line. You can see, sorry, it did hold the trend line pretty strong. And then we bounce all day off of it. So we bounce off the support here, rejected, retest the trend line again, and again, all the way up to 380 on the supply zone. Okay. And this is what happened today. Again, if you look at it, the daily one, we have, look at that one. It's going to confuse you because it's the ES and it's keep running. Let's go on the SPY. Yeah, SPY. We had a massive candle on the 21st, which was Friday, and then we had a little drawdown today, a little wick, then up to the area of 380. We are in an uptrend, as you can see. I mean, this is a lower low, lower high, lower high. Let's see here. Sorry about that. I'm sorry. Higher low, which indicates an uptrend. But we're at a resistance. Again, the whole market this week we might go to the upside. We might go from here and then bust it to the upside to retest the 390 area. This is one scenario, and then we can fail over here and fall hard. This is one scenario that can happen. The second scenario that might happen might be, we got all the way to the supply zone here. We got a strong resistance, and we might just fall and break that through to the 370 area, or even fall harder to the 360 area. We really don't know what's going to happen with the market because we have earnings this week, and this week is really going to determine if we're going to move to the upside from here or to the downside. It's going to be a pretty important week. We have tomorrow before the open. This is Earning Whisper, by the way. That's a great website to see upcoming earnings. We have the UPS before they open tomorrow. We have General Motor. We have General Electric. We got Coca-Cola, 3M, JetBlue, all the big companies before they open, which gonna give the directions to the market this week. We have Microsoft after closing, Alphabet, Chipotle, Spotify. Pretty fun week. It's gonna be ahead of us. Wednesday we got Boeing, we got Meta, and Thursday we have Shopify, we got McDonald's, we have Amazon, we have Intel, Southwest, MasterCard, Pinterest, Comcast, T-Mobile. We got Friday, we got ExxonMobil, Chevron, which gonna indicate the oil as well. See where the oil gonna go. So it's gonna be a pretty crazy week, and this is we're gonna give the market his direction. So either we're gonna keep moving higher or we're gonna keep moving lower. It's really indicates the earning gonna indicate that. I believe that after a strong 2 days of move, we at least gonna have a retest, uh, either 375 or 370. Where you just might go a little higher and then be a little more extended, but it really depends on the earnings tomorrow. Because if a company gonna report earnings and they expect earnings per share, whereas let's say it's a randomly, let's give an example here. Let's go here, the earning whisper. Okay, for example, you see all that tomorrow. They expected 5.3% growth, and then when you have that, you're gonna see. So if you go backwards a little bit, let's see, brown and brown. Earning revenue growth. See, down 13.8%. And then it give you everything that you need to know. The results was 0.50. Estimated was 0.60. So they got less than they expected per share, which means indicates it going to the downside here. If let's say they expected 0.5 and they got 0.6 per share, you're going to see a stronger move up most of the times. So this is something to follow. You can go to Earning Whisper and you can see UPS tomorrow Eastern Time, 6 a.m. they report earnings. And after every earnings, they have also a call to see exactly why they got this earnings and go over all this stuff. But it's gonna be fun to have the UPS in 6 a.m. General Motors 6 a.m. General Electric 6:20 Eastern Time. All that is pre-market, which is gonna be pretty fun. We might trade pre-market as well around 8 o'clock, the ES, if we're gonna have some moves. So really watch the market, really watch the earnings, and I'll give us indicator of what the market is gonna do, and really gonna be, I think, great week to trade. Again, support and resistance, pretty important. Try to find those areas, supply and demand, and trade off those. This is my recommendation. If you trade stocks and not the ES or QQQ, it's a different method that we use. And that's it. So that's it. Wait for the earnings. I'll be posting you about the earnings and see how the market gonna move. I'm gonna keep you posted and everything. And we are gonna start doing live sessions as well, so you can see what I trade and how I trade the ES or the QQQ, NQ basically. And yeah, that'll be great. All right, guys, you have a great evening, and I'll catch you up tomorrow.